Yeah. Yes.
Okay, look, this is a potato. And it's called hot potato, everyone.
Hot potato.
And we're going to count to 5. Okay, we're going to sing 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4. 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes, more. And whoever has the potato on more, eliminated. Okay, ready? Everyone. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potatoes, 4. 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes, more. Oh, I'm eliminated. Okay, ready? Here we go. 1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4. 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes, more. Eliminated, Alex. Sorry, bye-bye. Ready?
It's this way.
1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes,
potatoes,
4. 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes, more.
Oh!
But wait, Claire, it's not over because I have hot potato with a twist. Come back in, Alex. It's Halloween, and we have pumpkins galore. Dun dun! Very nice pumpkin. Remember the song? 5 little pumpkins sitting on a gate. Everyone. 5 little pumpkins sitting on a gate. The first one said, "Oh my, it's late. Oh my, it's late." Okay. The second one said, "There are witches in the air.
There are witches in the air.
The third one said, "I'm not scared."
I'm not scared.
The fourth one said,
The fourth one said,
"Let's run and run and run."
let's run and run and run.
The fifth one said,
The fifth one said,
"I'm ready for some fun."
I'm ready for some fun.
Okay, so we're going to sing all 5, but at each one, someone's eliminated. Okay, ready? Here we go. 5 little pumpkins sitting on a gate. The first one said, "Oh my, it's late." Oh, I'm eliminated. Okay, you guys continue. Ready? The first one said, "Oh my, it's late." The second one said, "There are
witches in the air." Oh no!
It's eliminated. Okay. The second one said, "There are witches in the air." The third one said, "I don't care." Okay, you guys, there we go. Good job. Bye.